Gonna get chocolate now. No, it's not chocolate, it's hot cocoa to add. It's got like a bit of a smoky, bronzy colour eye. I say bronze, it's got no shimmer. It's not like bronze. It's just like warm brownish bronze. You know what I mean? So we're gonna start to warm this up. We're not gonna do definition yet, we're just warming this colour up. There's a little bit here. Tiny bit either side of the chin. Let's flash through that. Then we've got cola, which is a darker brown. So with cola, we can come around the eye a little bit more. I like doing a makeup. I like this. I feel like I'm doing makeup on a doll. And let's mark out where the brows are with this brown. So we're literally tapping the end of the brush with little product on. Then to create the shadow, so we've got shadows under our eyes, we've got the little crease, we've also got the shadows around the nose and side of the face, under the chin, we've got it under the lip as well. If we look at the shadows aren't like, they're not like a bronze colour or anything like that, they're quite a cold colour. So what I'm going to do is mix a little bit of Lucy. So we're going to mix a little bit of that with the chocolate colour. So it's not chocolate, sorry, with cola. So we've got a little bit of cola, and then we've got some Lucy, and it's going to make it like a cooler toned shadow because of that teal colour that we've added. And then I also want to mix some beige Dave with a little bit of Lucy. And this will create shadow as well. It'll be a cooler shadow. Tiny bit more of this colour, which is Lucy. Lucy? And I'm going to use a tiny bit of that just to shadow the eye in the corner. So on the white of the eye. And flash that, then we're going to come around the nose. Take the excess off the brush and we can blend this out. That'll give it the shadow. Right, so we're going to shade the sides of the face. Here, chiseled face. Very gentle. Blend that a bit. We have shadow under the lip. This is all done with that same colour that we mixed. So the lighter of the two colours we mix, we are going to pull up the side of the face as well. And a little bit under the eye. Right, so I'm going to use a little bit of milky rather than using like a solid white. Milky's going to add a little bit of highlight without being too harsh in. We can highlight the nose. And then we're going to highlight the mid-face. And you're going to put like a triangle shape, like that. And then you're going to use the brush very lightly. Oh my God, big bit of black fluff. You can go away. We don't want you. You're going to use the tip of the brush to just kind of blend it out, soften the edge. A bit in the inner corner. And again, we're going to do this triangle shape on the mid-face, on that cheek. And tease the edges out to blend. A little bit on the philtrum. That bit air.
Is that what it's called?
Air. That bit air. It's called the philtrum.
I don't like that.
In the corner. Of the eye. I want a little bit of navy. So this navy colour is called Diesel, named after me broski. And with this coloured navy, you want this colour Diesel, sorry. You want to feed it with the brush, keep it quite flat. And we can again add shadow, clean the brush and blend it out. So we're building depth and colour all the time. I'm just going to go around the edge of her face now with this dark blue. I'm going to fill the bottom with the dark blue. So, Diesel.
That made so much more sense now to look like she had a blue beard.
Yeah, so it's like there's a cast of blue slightly on her face, but it doesn't actually look that blue now, does it?
No.
Put that in. So like she's got a blue 5 o'clock shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She had a blue Gordy.
Yeah.
But that you fill it in, it just looks like it's the background.
Yeah. We get a little bit of void. So we've got void going on the palette. We've got a lot of colours going on the palette. And we're nowhere near finished yet. Now I've got the colour Reese that I want to use on the eyes as well. Now Reese is like a very pale duck egg blue, slightly green, but it's, you know, it's very pale. You know those like ashy blue eyes that you can get?
Yeah.
It's those kind of eyes that we're going for. So I'm gonna get you want to get the pupil and the iris colour, all that done first before you start to add like the eyeliner or the eyelashes and things like that, because that will actually sit over the iris. So it doesn't matter even if you went over this, because you're going to put the eyelashes on as well. So we're going to go on with, first of all, this might seem a little bit backwards, but it's not. We're going to use some of that navy colour, which is diesel, first of all. And I'm going to sort of mark where the eyes are. Then I want to make that into a bit of a round circle, which is going to help me. I know it looks really weird at the minute. You're going to cure that. And then when we go on with Reese, which is a paler colour, we're going to put that in the middle and spread it out. So you have that, do you know that darker circle you get around the iris? That will be that now. So you don't have to do it afterwards. It's easier to do it at this stage than it is to do it. If you put Reese down, then you've got to go right around the outside. It's easier to do it like that.
Yeah.
And move the iris colour out. Yeah, instead of outlining, because that's a little bit harder to do. I'm just going to drop one and then just take the excess off now. And I can literally keep pushing it out till I get that little border. See what I mean? Same with this one. You want to drop like a little bead down and then take the excess off your brush and just keep moving it out until you're left with that little outline. Then we need to create a shadow here. So this colour that we mixed earlier, that sort of dirty grey blue, we're going to take that and we're going to go over the top like this, and it's going to create a shadow. Put me that in. Right, we want tiny black dot in the middle for the pupil, just under the shadow. In. Right, let's go round, do a bit of eyeliner, bit of a crease. We need a crease here. She's got this crease here. So what we're going to do is mix a bit of black and a bit of colour. Want it to be like a really dark brown. Like, what's that chocolate? Dark chocolate. The proper stuff.
Bourneville.
Bourneville chocolate. I don't like dark chocolate. I think that's...
It has its time and place, I think.
I like it cold.
Where's its time and place? It's supposed to be like the better, the healthier one, isn't it? My Uncle Mick used to have dark chocolate biscuits and I'd be like, no fun, you want. I was like, have you got better biscuits than this? Dark chocolate digestives.
No, there is worse biscuits than that. Fig rolls. That's soul destroying.
Fig rolls?
When you open the tin and all that's left is fig rolls.
I can't like fig rolls.
Oh no, they're an abomination.
They are the ones that look like the dog treats.
Yeah.
Marrowbones.
Yeah.
Look like a marrowbone treat, don't they? My nan used to have them all the time. I can't like them. They're more like a cake though.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No.
I mean, I prefer custard cream, to be honest. Malted milk, chocolate malted milk. Nice.
Oh, them are the ones. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love them. Put in. Still needs more brown eyeshadow. Yeah, more colour. More smoky eye.